It's done. Take the inner skin like this. Friends, choose the pink or white ones. Those ones have thin membranes. That ends the mangosteens. Are not natural. We use one liter water. Pour it into a hot boil. Turn on the stove. When the water starts to heat up, we add the mangosteens. When we add the mangosteens, the water starts to heat up again. We will use Thai sugar. Now, we let it rest until the mangosteen water is at room temperature. Aunt Moo will use Sunboy syrup. This one uses the Salak scent. We use 1 bottle. This one gives a nice scent. When we pour it in, Aunt Moo will add water. Drink it. We will use 5 liters of drinking water. Pour it in. We will pour the drinking water in. Mix the ingredients together. If you want to put more mangosteen, you can. Aunt Moo put in 1 liter. If you want to put more, you can use half a liter. We will divide the water into a small bowl to test the yeast. Aunt Moo uses a measuring spoon. We use a measuring spoon. Aunt